I'm using my DIY watercolor sketchbook. I've pulled out a couple of dual brush pens today to create a simple pattern. I'm using organic patterns here, nothing that has any rules. It's a very stress-free, low-maintenance pattern. You can't do anything wrong. With your dual brush pen, using the brush tip, you want to draw parallelish lines of any color that you want. I'm going in rainbow order, and my lines are squiggly, they're thick, thin, it doesn't really matter. You just want to add color to the paper. Then with your paintbrush, I'm using a water brush here, which is a paintbrush attached to a water barrel. You want to slowly draw circles. It can be wonky circles, uneven circles. You just want to draw circles to connect the two lines. I'm starting with yellow color, so the yellow kind of blends into the green because the dual brush pens are reactive to water. The paintbrush tip picks up all of that pigment and it mixes it, blends it. It creates this soft watercolor look that's really pretty, and this is such an easy pattern to paint. It's super relaxing and so much fun. If you have not painted anything that I've done before, I would at least recommend that you try this pattern. You want to use watercolor paper, mixed media paper. I have a list of all the papers that work on my blog. I'll link it in the description box as well. And just simply paint these wonky circles. So as you move to different colors, you realize that you're creating more and more tones. The colors and the water just mix, they soften, and you get this nice watercolor pattern that was so easy to paint. I'm drawing circular shapes here. You could make thinner ovals if you want. You could just draw lines in between them and create like a ladder look. You could also use a flat chisel brush or flat tip brush to create thicker lines in between the colors. There's so many options and possibilities here. I love this modern abstract rainbow. It is just so pretty to look at, and I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, friends. I'll see you guys again soon in another video. Till then, happy painting.